What you have tuned in for is another Andre Nguyen exposed.
CEOs. I'm talking about multi-millionaires, people that are CEOs of billion-dollar companies. These are my clients. This is the amount of respect that I get. So, you know, people, if you're not a CEO, and if you don't, if you're not driving a Ferrari, if you don't have $1 million in your bank account, then please just humble yourself and just hear me out, because these people that have way more success than I have,
Stop the cap.
right? These people are like in their 50s. They're giving me respect for the lane that I'm in, and that's credit repair. So I just ask you guys to show me some respect. If you don't want to show me some respect, and if you want to troll and stuff like that, that's fine. We'll just block you and stuff like that, because we don't need it in the community.
Emotional damage.
Can you text in the chat if you're still on the live? And I will give you... Actually, you know what? My email address is in the video description of this live. Just go to the live, go to my website, pinnaclecreditrepair.com, and you can contact me through there, right? Message me through there. You'll get an automated email response. And then through there, you'll actually have my email address to message me. So whatever that's regarding, if you're trying to sell me something, probably don't need it. I'm good. If you need credit repair services, fill out the form. There's a lot of people, filling out the form with a lot of phony stuff. There's no time for that. Don't waste your time, and please don't waste mine. So, hey.
Andre, it's amazing that people still trust you to fix their credit. It's also amazing that clients will trust you when you treat them with respect. My clients respect me, and they trust me because I genuinely want to help them. Without the respect of the people, Andre, you are nothing, and we are everything credit.